Hey guys, today I want to share with you a beauty hack on how to get rid of strawberry legs, aka keratosis pilaris, with two very inexpensive products by The Ordinary. The first product is the Glycolic Acid Toner 7%. Now, I have never used this product on my face, never ever. But I use it on my body and it works wonders. There are two ways that you can use this product. You can use it using a cotton pad and go over any areas, bumpy areas on your body, on your skin. I also like to use this on my bikini area because I wax, and this really helps to get rid of ingrowns. The second way I like to use this is by creating a shower gel. It's really easy, really simple, and works really well to get rid of keratosis pilaris and help to even out your skin as well. Really, really good. So what I do is I take a 100 ml bottle like this one here, these travel size bottles. I believe I bought this one at H&M. Yeah, I bought this at H&M, 100 ml. So what I do is I put 1 part of glycolic acid toner with 2 parts of shower gel. If you're experiencing keratosis pilaris, start by using it every day until you see results. Once you get your desired results, then you can continue with 2 to 3 times a week for maintenance. This really, really works. My second product by The Ordinary is the Retinol and Squalane 0.5%. Now, I've never actually used this on my face either. I've only ever used it on my body. So I create my own body oil with this. So what I do is I take another 100 ml travel size bottle like this, and I put in half the contents of this bottle. So it's 30 ml, so I would put 15, just half inside of the bottle, and then I would fill it up with the body oil of my choice. If you want to make it extra moisturizing and hydrating for your skin, you can add some vitamin E oil, which is also very good for your complexion as well and has antioxidants. I use this at night after showering. You do not use this in the daytime, this retinol body oil. Retinoids cannot be used during the daytime because retinoids increase sensitivity to the sun. So during the day, you'd either have to be fully clothed, or if you have parts of your body exposed, then you would have to go and you'd use sunscreen for that. So I hope this helps with the keratosis pilaris. Please leave any comments below and let me know how that works out for you. Remember to like, follow, and subscribe. Visit my website, www.thebeautydisruptor.com, for more beauty secrets, beauty hacks, tips on health, wealth, wellness, self-care, anti-aging. And in the description below, I will leave the link to these 2 products. I hope that helps, beauties. Take care. I'll see you later. Bye.